Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode will be super easy, okay, because we'll be getting a new dash cam. Right, as you know nowadays, okay, as these things are getting more and more popular, it is very important to have a dash cam in your car because there's a lot of scams going on, you know, people driving in front of you and, you know, brake checking you and all this, okay, and it is very dangerous as well. Alright, so all this will actually help you in the long run. Alright, and the one I'm getting today is from 70mai. 70mai has been doing dash cams for a while now. I'm using the older model and I'm changing to the new one, which is the A800. Okay, the A800 is a 4K video, right, and it's super clear and super crisp. Okay, and the thing is, comparing to other 4K dash cams, it's like I think half the price. Alright, so before we start, guys, okay, for those of you who are new, okay, please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, and for those of you who have been here for a while, okay, we'll have more videos like this coming up. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to show you how it's done. So let's go. Alright, so guys, that's the end of the DIY. It is very simple and very easy. And right now, okay, after this install, I can actually drive in peace, you know, because there's a camera in the front, there's a camera at the back. Alright, so links to the items are in the description down below. You can check them out. Alright, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. Please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, and I'll see you on the next one. So stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye bye.